दयानंद विधी महाविद्यालयामध्ये राज्यस्तरीय स्पर्धांचं आयोजन करण्यात आलं होतं आणि या स्पर्धांच्या माध्यमातून दयानंद विद्यार्थ्यांनी कोट अनुभवला। लोकमत न्यूज नेटवर्क सोलापूर कायद्याचे शिक्षण घेत असताना प्रत्यक्ष न्यायालयात खटला कसा चालवला जातो याचं प्रशिक्षण विद्यार्थ्यांना मिळणं गरजेचं असतं। म्हणूनच दयानंद विधी महाविद्यालयात राज्यस्तरीय मूठ स्पर्धा घेण्यात आली। विद्यार्थ्यांनी प्रॉसिक्युटर डिफेन्स लॉयर बनत महाविद्यालयातील मूठ खटला कोर्टात चालवला, न्यायालयाकडे न्याय देण्याची मागणी केली। दयानंद विधी महाविद्यालय आणि काकासाहेब थोबडे फाउंडेशन यांच्या संयुक्त विद्यमानं राज्यस्तरीय मूठ कोर्ट स्पर्धेचं आयोजन करण्यात आलं होतं। स्पर्धेच्या उद्घाटनाप्रसंगी मुंबई उच्च न्यायालयाचे न्यायमूर्ती विनय जोशी, प्रमुख जिल्हा न्यायाधीश एम.एस. आझमी, प्राचार्य डॉक्टर सोनाली गायकवाड, काकासाहेब थोबडे फाउंडेशनचे अध्यक्ष ॲडव्होकेट मिलिंद भोसले, वकील संघाचे अध्यक्ष ॲडव्होकेट सुरेश बापू गायकवाड, उपाध्यक्ष ॲडव्होकेट असीम बांगी, ॲडव्होकेट बसवराज सलगर, ॲडव्होकेट रितेश थोबडे, मोहन कटाप, ॲडव्होकेट करण भोसले, ॲडव्होकेट अविनाश काळे आदींची उपस्थिती होती। या स्पर्धेसाठी राज्यभरातून विद्यार्थ्यांनी आपली हजेरी लावली। विद्यार्थ्यांनी एक्सपर्ट पॅनल समोर आपल्या कल्पनाशक्तीचा आविष्कार दाखवला। संपूर्ण ऑडिटोरियम कोर्टप्रमाणे भासत होतं। विद्यार्थ्यांनी प्रॉसिक्युटर, डिफेन्स लॉयर यांच्या छान अशा भूमिका निभावल्या।
Had it been alive, he had been alive, I would have an opportunity to hear him as a presiding officer. Dear friends, all of us, most of us on the dais are a witness of era. Around 2 decades before, more than 2 decades, we have completed our graduation in law. We were not having such atmosphere which you are getting today. There is a paradigm shift in the generation. Now we can see on the tip of finger you can get everything, but those days you have to work hard. The coordination between the teachers and the students was not of that level at that time. Be that as it may, now the question is that this program, which is organized by the law college, is an opportunity or is a platform to you to get the insight of the court procedures. You may be good at the academics. I always share one example which was shared by one of the senior judge to me while he was presiding as a magistrate at a court at Solapur. I always like that example. He was handling a case of 435 of Indian Penal Code. So, Advocate Deshkar, renowned lawyer for Solapur, was an advocate in that matter, and he called. Complainant was there. He called the advocate
by heart. You can ask him any question on any law, and the answer was ready. One day, it so happened that a client of him, who was watching all the way for him, answering any queries put forth by him by anyone, he asked him in Marathi, "Kaka साहेब, तुम्हाला एक प्रश्न विचारू का?" विचारा. तुम्ही कोणीही काही कायद्याचं विचारलं, तुम्ही पटकन कसं काय सांगू शकता? ते म्हणाले, त्याचं काय आहे, आमच्या घरामध्ये एक जुना हंडा आहे मोठा, ती सगळी पुस्तकं आहेत ना, ती पुस्तकं मी त्या हंड्यामध्ये एके दिवशी टाकली आणि गरम पाण्यामध्ये रटा शिजवली आणि ते उकळलेलं पाणी मी रोज थोडं थोडं पितो आणि म्हणून मला सगळे कायदे पाळता येतात. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस जोक,
different law colleges in the Solapur competition, and I'm confident that this competition will be a manifestation of power of youth's intellect, oratory skill, critical thinking, articulation, and knowledge in law. In recent years, moot courts have emerged as an indispensable part of legal education, and I must say that this is a great teaching innovation in the sphere of legal education. With this short note, I take your leave, and once again, a very warm welcome to all of you on behalf of DG Dayanand Law College for this moot court competition, which is organized by Kaakasaheb Thobde Foundation, and wishing all the participants a huge success. Thank you.
What is the legal ratio? What is the settled law? what would be the arguments of the other side, how you will counter those arguments, then what the expected queries are from judge, everything you are preparing in the mood that will help you enormously in your future career. As rightly said, winning and losing is insignificant. Participation is essential. It's a number game. Some 19, 20, 80, just fraction of 1 or 2 marks one team once, because it's competition and the organizers are compelled to declare a result. Otherwise, in our view, every participant has achieved something from today's moot court competition. Now, today's problem, I have read the proposition. It's very interesting but tough too. I asked Mr. Milin, why such a tough subject has been chosen? He said, no, I am confident that young generation is competent to argue the constitutional problems. Very fine. I am very delighted. Now the problem is complex one. It is relating to various provisions of the Constitution, right of equality, right, and it majorly rotates around Article 21,